Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. We came back again to you guys. We came in another video. As you see now what the market doing to us here after yesterday falling, as you see it, that when the CPI came or inflation of USA came, look where we are now. We are in that level here. And now what the market showing, it's showing a rejection from that level here. So I showed it to you before. What did I told you? Zoom it a little bit. I tell you yesterday, you got here a zone, and I tell you the market is going to make like that to come to head. Then after that, it's going to fall down. And even here, we got the long-term trend. That one will being broken. I told you it's going to come to head to react like a rejection. Then after that, it's going to drop more. That's what I told you all those things yesterday. Even here in my chart, let me show it to you. It's the same thing as you see it now. As you see here, what I'm talking about here in that zone. Look at that red candle, what it did here. It came to that long-term trend. It came to a tail here, and now it's showing a falling down, but not yet, because the last low, it was here in that zone. So till now, it hasn't reached it. But the candle is still going, because the market is always doing like that. After a big falling, it happened a correction like that for the big whales to enter from here to down. And that's what happened, because now if you look with me, big whales, they enter from here to here. That's how is it trading, guys. Is it a big candle like that? Always that happening. I've been telling you all those things before. I told you there is a trading strategy actually it's working like that. After each big candle like that, the market moved till the middle of it or a little bit in it. Then after that, we're going down, and that's what happened here. So now what is it? There is nothing new, guys. That long-term trend here we said is going to hold. Look at it. The market go back and break it within 1 day. We be in, look how many days, about 6 days going up. Within one candle we go back 50% of that one. And that things you can see it in the weekly very clear. If you go in here to the weekly, there it is in the weekly. Look at it. Within one candle, that one, it fall down all that much. That's what also we've been talking about. And here in the weekly, the picture is more clear, very clear to you. As you see what the market done, it came next to 200 moving average, because if you using the exponential, it being touched. Then look where we are. We fall down till here. So now what's going to happen? You need to make a close at that level here down in the weekly, that one. If it's going to hold, if it's not, you're going to see the Bitcoin at 12k. That's what I told you. I told you there is a more falling down coming. And this month, it's coming the interest rate of USA, and everyone in the world is saying the Fed is going to hike the interest rate more. So it's more bad days coming, guys. So if you are a stock trader or a forex trader or a crypto trader, you need to be careful those days. If you enter long, you stop lose, because you don't know what's going to happen. It might the market going to crash very bad. As you see the stock market yesterday, all the tech, it falling down very sharp. Oh, here even the crypto, it fall down, and the Bitcoin actually it's still holding in that zone. It's still powerful here, not like stocks. Stocks, all of them they falling. It's going back to the daily to analyze for you more. Here we are in the daily, guys. So there is nothing new here, just what I told you, and I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes. Now you got two targets as you see them. The first one is it here, that one at 19,462. Another one we got it down here at 17,207. You need to make a close at those levels if they are going to hold for you or no. But now us, the market is breaking for us here that stronger trend line, and he breaking for us that supply and demand zone. As you see it, we've been follow it from here and here, and from here he fall down from that one. So now as you see what the market doing, you still have one here, one supply and demand zone here, as you see it down. Oh, now you need to make a close at that zone here. That one may I show you down if it's going to hold, if it's not, or maybe from that one it's going to make a small correction like that, but it will not be that big. If it move, is going to move till here, till that zone here. Then after that, there is the big drop is coming when is the Fed is going to talk. So the next target is it down here at 16k or 17k, when it's going to touch for us the lower of that wage as we have. I think everything is too clear, guys. And here what we got, as you see it, I show it to you before. We got that channel, the lower of it. Is it down here? I got it. 12,867 down here. That where is my target, and that where I'm going to buy if the market reaches till there. Everything is too clear. let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, let's zoom it like that. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos. We're analyzing for you the cryptocurrency world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And you, if you be a subscriber with me, please smash that like button, help us. I want that like button today to reach to at least to 40 likes. Help us to growing up the channel, guys, because some people, they don't give you high accurate analysis like us, and they got thousands of views and thousands of subscribers. Also, we still only 1,000 subscribers. So help us at least to reach to 2,000 subscribers. And thank you very much if you help us, guys. So that our indicator, guys, as you see it, where we are now, when it's touching for us that long-term trend, also being following that one. I told you also we've been following that one from 2021. He touched it up here, he couldn't break it. Now he going down. Another trend line, we got that one down here. So you need to make a close eye at that one here, what it's going to do to it. And it's going to touch it, it's going to make a correction or something like that. Then after that, it's going to drop till down here, till the oversold area, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, it came out from here, but I think it's going to go back inside because here in the chart, it's showing it's still going down. So let's wait in the coming days what it's going to tell us, and when the daily candle finish it, because now the candle, it hasn't finished. Also, we're still analyzing for you only for people for day trade or something, but when the daily candle finish it, it's going to tell us what the market is going to do exactly, because as you see it, sometimes it's become red, sometimes green here. So till now there is nothing confirmed yet. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, that zone here, as you see it, what it's indicating there, let's zoom it a little bit. What is indicating here in that zone, look with me very close. It came to that zone, it gave you that pin bar. It came the buyers, but there is no big buyers. Then it came the sellers. As you see, all those candles here, they pushing from up. Even the buyers, they pushing from up. That means there is big selling happening here. No one want that Bitcoin to go higher. As you see it, very close with me. And now if you go into lower time frames, you're going to find Bitcoin is give you here like a small triangle here, like that. And we go in there. So make a close eye with us and smash the like button, please. Help us to growing up, and write for us a comment. Yes, us, we holding all the comments for reviews because a lot of boots and a lot of scams, so we need to review every comment. If it's from normal people, we will accept it no matter what they're saying, but if it's from a boot, no. And here in my chart, guys, what me I told you it touch for us the top of the channel, and now it need to go to the lower of it, which is here at 17k. So, and here, as you see what me I got here that level, that one, and that level, look at it how it's reacting. Look with me very close here, it's still very stronger, and all those candles here, when they touching that level, they still reacting, they are falling down. So I think now we are going to go for another crash, guys. The other level we got is down. Is it here? You got a level here at that zone. So you need to make a close eye at that level when it's going to touch it. Then after that, maybe it's going to make a small correction till here. Then after that, it's going to drop. So those ones, the waves, how it's going to work the market. So it's going to fall down till here. Then after that, it's going to go till here. Then after that, it's going to go till lower here. Those ones, the waves, they are coming, guys. So I think everything is too clear here. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we be in here, I've been telling that to you all the 3 days or 4 days. You can find that in our previous videos. I told you it's going to fall down. I told you it's going to fall down. When he fall down, look what he done. He break for us that middle. Now we are here in the control of the bears, guys. So when we are in the control of the bears, but we mark the one of us is going to do, you need to make a close eye at the trend of the divergence here, what is going to react to it here when it's going to touch it. And after that, we're going to see, and even here, if you make a close eye with me here at that indicator of us, what is giving us here in that level where it is now, there is here a support. As you see it, it's being at that for a long time. Even the last time when it's break it here, it go back, it touches here. Now you are in it. Let's see if it's going to hold or no. Me personally, I think it's going to make a small correction tail here to touch that middle, then after that it's going to fall down to break it. But let's see in the coming days what they are going to do, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, we be in here at the overbought area, and I've been telling that to you all the time. From here I've been telling that to you. That one is just been a fake breakout. Now look where we are. I think now we are going to the oversold area. You need to make a close at that oversold area. What the market going to do in it? It might from here go back to touch the 200 moving average that just got about 10% or something. Me personally, I think it's going to stay here ranging in that place where it is. Then after that it's going to drop. But let's wait in what's going to do, because that's just future, guys. We don't know how to predict the future exactly. Also, we're just doing analysis and we're predicting levels where is people they buy in, because everything is about investors, and investors now all of them they are scared. No one want to buy. That way the Bitcoin doesn't move. And even I've been telling that to you, even macroeconomical also looking very, very bad. There is nothing looking good now, and the Fed is still tightening and still increase interest rate. So why the people they are going to invest? If you're looking at the stock market, all of it is a trade. So there is more deep going to happen. I think the bottom is going to be at 10k, guys. So that one just my personal view. If you are an investor, just they say just dollar cost averaging, buying from every month or something like that, and like that you're going to be in the safe side. Everything is too clear here. Let's see now 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, look with me what me I told you here. I'll show it to you in the 4 hours. But look with me here in 30 minutes, very, very, very clear here. I give you here a triangle, a small triangle. Let's make it like that. Now you need to wait in where it's going to be broken. If it's breaking for you high, it's going to go till here, till that 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to drop. If it's not, it's going to break for you lower. Then it's going to go to that level where I showed you before. Till here at 19k. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also here we are at the oversold area, and the price action I show it to you, and you are in a very stronger level. The price action I show it to you, you got here a triangle. If it's breaking for you the high of it, you enter long till here, and that indicator when it's being here at the overbought area, you go out. Remember my word, when it's been at the overbought area, you take the profit. To get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel, his name how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to it. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator, download it and install it in your trading view. Then use it like how me I show you now. You got a level, you got a price action, and that one is it at the oversold area. So that the right time for you to looking for a buy opportunity. A buy opportunity is need to break for you that level. Me I show you here. If it's break it for you, enter long, the take profit is going to be here at the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.